How to make your own pickles by canning. First, let's talk about what you'll need for canning your own pickles. You'll require fresh cucumbers, vinegar, water, salt, sugar, pickling spice, garlic cloves, and dill. You can find these ingredients at your local farmer's market or grocery store. It's essential to choose fresh and firm cucumbers that have a bright, vibrant green color. Avoid cucumbers that are soft or yellow as they might not be suitable for canning. Wash your cucumbers thoroughly and cut them into slices or spears. If you prefer your pickles to have a more crisp texture, consider adding grape or horseradish leaves along with your cucumbers in the jar. Next, soak the cucumber slices or spears in icy water for a couple of hours to keep them firm during the canning process. While your cucumbers are soaking, let's prepare the brine. In a pot, combine vinegar, water, salt, sugar, pickling spice, whole garlic cloves, and dill. Bring the mixture to a boil, then let it simmer for 10 minutes until the sugar and salt have dissolved and the spices have infused in the brine. Now it's time to prepare the jars for canning. Wash your jars and lids in hot, soapy water and rinse them thoroughly. Keep them warm in a stock pot of hot water before filling them with the pickles. This will prevent your jars from cracking when you add the hot brine to them.
And there you have it, your very own homemade pickles. Making your own pickles is a great way to preserve your excess cucumbers and add some flavor to your meals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more homesteading tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.